Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can actually get data in China and also what is the best eSIM provider when you're going to travel to China. This is my own recommendation and I hope you will enjoy this video. So the first one that I definitely recommend to check out is Maya Mobile. You're going to have a link with the discount down below in the description. And how Maya Mobile works is that you're going to just right here and click China and right here China, and you can have China eSIM. And you're going to see right here that you can choose between the 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, 30 days. So let's say that I'm going to have 10 gigabytes of data for 15 days or 5 gigabytes. You're going to choose like how much data I want for how many days you're going to be there. So let's say that you're going to choose this one right here and you would press activate now. How does it work is that you're going to get automatically 10% off with the link down below in the description with the discount. And you're going to choose the starting date when you want to choose the data your day plan will start. Okay, and two things. The first thing is that definitely check with Maya Mobile is if your phone is compatible with the eSIM. So you're going to click eSIM compatible device. Okay, and you can see right here, Google phone with eSIM, Samsung, you would find your phone here. And then check the coverage. How is the coverage where you actually want to go? So you see right here that we're going to have China. And you see what is actually covered. So for example, Hong Kong is, then Shanghai is well covered. So where you want to travel, check the coverage map if it's really well covered with Maya Mobile. So this is the Maya Mobile. When you would buy it, then you're going to get a QR code to your email. All you have to do is scan the QR code and then you need to activate the eSIM. Again, it's super simple. It's not that difficult. And I made even tutorial on how you can do it with Maya Mobile down below in the description, also link as a tutorial. And this is the first way. The second way is using Airalo, and I'm going to write here China. Okay, and you see that you can have 1 gigabyte of data, 2 gigabyte, 3 gigabyte, 10 gigabyte of data, and you see right here 10 gigabyte of data for 30 days costs $28. Here 10 gigabyte of data for 30 days costs $29.70. Here is $28. So even the pricing is really similar. You can have discount down below in the description also with Airalo. And with the Airalo, you can have again QR code that you have to like activate and set up, but that's pretty much it. It's nothing really difficult, and I recommend heavily Maya Mobile and also Airalo. They are both reliable and good companies that I'm using all the time when I'm traveling. Now, if you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. Would be happy to help you and provide you some guidance and some support. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye.